Alrighty, guys. It's dumping rain right now. Ow! You guys probably can't see much. If you look up, meant. Well, if we can get any lightning strikes. There's some thunder. That is some strong wind. Dude, it is windy out here. Like, I looked at my weather app, it says nothing about thunderstorms. Like, it is, look how windy it is. My pants are already soaking wet. I mean, look at some of the trees. Well, I wonder if we can get any lightning strikes on camera. Alright. So far, I don't think we got any lightning strikes. Oh, it's the... Bro, it is wet out here. Like, look at my hand. I can barely see where I'm going now. It's pitch black out here. Now I'm just sitting there and getting lightning strikes. Ow, my eyes. So far, we don't have any lightning strikes. That is strong. I feel like lightning's gonna be somewhere that way because it's definitely coming from somewhere that way. It might be like 10, like maybe like 5 miles away. I don't know. It's pretty far from us. It's definitely not gonna be like. I'm trying to see if there's. Oh, there's some lightning. All right, I better get inside because Mom's probably gonna be really mad at me. Thank you all for watching. Crazy thunderstorm going on. Managed to catch some lightning. Hope you all enjoyed this video. I am soaking wet. I'm going inside.